In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a horizontal scrollable carousel using design mode effectively. This is a fantastic feature for showcasing images or content panels in a visually engaging manner. Imagine being able to let your viewers swipe effortlessly through a series of cards, much like flipping through a digital photo album. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by crafting your cards. Think of these as the individual pieces of content you wish to display, whether they're images, content panels, or any other elements that fit into your visual narrative. Make sure these cards are laid out horizontally, side by side, within a single artboard. This horizontal arrangement is key because it sets the stage for the seamless swipe effect we're aiming to achieve. Once your cards are neatly laid out, the next step is to select the entire group of cards. You'll need all of them selected to apply the scrolling effect uniformly. With your group selected, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen. There you'll find the Property Inspector panel. This is where magic happens. Set the scroll group to horizontal. If you're on a Mac, use the shortcut Shift plus CMD plus H, or if you're on Windows, Shift plus Ctrl plus H. This simple step transforms your selection into a horizontally scrollable section, enabling the primary interaction modality for your carousel. Now, let's talk about the viewport, which is essentially the visible width of your scrollable section. You'll want to adjust the viewport so that it displays your cards partially. This means showing one full card and a small portion of the next. This arrangement visually suggests that users can scroll horizontally to uncover more content, subtly guiding them to interact with your design. To see your work in action, it's time to preview the prototype. This allows you to test the horizontal swipe functionality. Thanks to your setup, you should be able to drag or swipe horizontally, moving seamlessly from one card to the next. It's an engaging, intuitive experience that enhances how viewers interact with your content. For those interested in adding an extra layer of interaction, consider implementing navigation arrows or trigger animations. These additions guide your viewers through the carousel in a manner that feels controlled and user-friendly. Before we wrap up, a few tips to keep in mind. Ensure your scroll group's boundary is sized appropriately. It's essential for maintaining a clean look and smooth function. Also, be aware that scroll groups may not work in all publishing modes. Design specs don't always support them, so be sure to test everything in preview mode to verify functionality. Horizontal scroll groups like this are perfect for simple swipe-through images or card carousels. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a horizontal scrollable carousel. Happy designing!